quick look inside the Oki vintage linear switch found in this Mitutoyo branded Micropack keyboard. Or is it a Micropack branded Mitutoyo keyboard? I don't know. Switch opens from a pair of locking tabs on either side. Internally, it's got a top housing, including the rails for the slider. Of course, a coil spring, bottom housing, and for contact, it has a pair of metal pieces and a magnetic reed between them. And the slider, of course, has a magnet, but this magnet is, interestingly, concave. The bottom housing also has a rubber damper pad for the bottom out. The top housing is asymmetrical, but it goes together a little something like this. You can see the through holes on the one side without the magnetic reed in it, even if my phone doesn't want to focus.